scrapbook.com. And now I'm going to show you a system called the Coluzzle, as promised, and it's just a fun tool to use in cutting pictures up, helping assist in making your mats. There's just a lot of fun things to do, and I'm going to demonstrate one of the fun things to do with it, okay? Okay, in the Coluzzle system you will have a foam mat, and you have to work on that or you're going to cut holes all in your table. You have different stencils. We've got round, ovals, squares, rectangles. They have alphabet, and this other one I have, it's like file folder tags that you would cut out and then fold them in half. The most important tool of this is the blade, and it's hard to tell, but right here is a real sharp blade and it swivels around. So as you're moving this blade around, you don't have to lift it anywhere out of the track. And to demonstrate this, I have a picture here, and I'm going to use the round. And I'm going to focus this girl's face right in the center, and I'm going to choose which of these I want. Now I can cut them all. I can choose I want the biggest part of her. And then what I would do is take my cardstock complementary color and then cut it one ring bigger, and then I have a perfect circle mat. So you can use all of these for your matting system. I'm going to just cut her out over and over and over and make spirals. So you stick the swivel blade into the groove and you'll go around, and you never lift your wrist up. Slip the blade again, and then I'll come into the next area and you just go around and around. Sometimes if you're working with a lot of a big piece, it'd be a good idea to tape your picture to the stencil. Now, usually I just slide the blade around to the next groove. You come into the next one. There's little spots you have to jump over because we don't want your picture totally falling apart when you lift it up. And that's about how far out I can go. Okay, when I lift this up, you'll see all these little things right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut all these little connecting spots apart. And then you'll have just your ring. To show you as a sample, well, here's one Coluzzle we cut in circles, and then I just popped them each one out and layered them till we come down to a good focal point. Another one, we took one of the rings out plus the outside. Same here, we took every other ring out. We used all the scraps from all these just to create a geometric design that if you just want to fill up some space on a page. Here's one, I took rings out, but I used the background and kind of gave it some dimension. If you wanted, you could even twist these and make the background where they're not all lining up. Look how much fun that can be.